update from Paulo Avellino Global. Ayan, celebrating 18 amazing years of Paulo Avellino and Showbiz. Wow, 18 na pala, 18 years na pala. Hindi sila magkalayo ni Kimi. Join us, we mark this milestone with an exciting contest just for you, the fans who've been part of this journey. Share your favorite milestone from Paulo's Showbiz journey and why it's special to you. Include photos or videos, hashtag 18 Pau Anniversary and tag at Paulo Global. Submission nila guys open December 1, 2024 from 11 AM to 5 PM. Don't forget to wrap up those reposts by December 3 and then December 4 naman announce kung sino yung winner. Mark your calendar and make your post public. Let's make this celebration unforgettable. Thank you for your sponsor and making this happen. Kaya pala. So yung Paulo Avellino fan page, pinalitan na nila ng Paulo Avellino Global. So ito na yon guys. Ang question lang is, ano yung pinaka-anniversary ba talaga sa showbiz ni Pau? Is December 4. So yun siguro yung i-announce kung sino yung nananalo at yun yung siguro yung pagsi-celebrate. And sa totoo lang kasi walang date nakalagay kung kailan yung celebrate na as in magsaya. Ang nakapost lang kasi dito is December 1, yun yung submission ng parang pa-contest. And then i-announce nila by December 4 kung sino yung nananalo. Baka yun yung siguro December 4 yung celebrate talaga as a 18th anniversary sa showbiz journey. Sobrang nakaka-touch naman yung ganitong family, diba? Paulo is really an amazing, versatile, brilliant actor. He's one of the kind, and according to Chineta Princess, he is the most well-loved actor and nakakatrabaho niya. Happy 18th anniversary in showbiz. We appreciate and respect. Andito lang mga Kim Pao fans. Siyempre, number 1 mga Kim Pao fans na nagtutulungan din. Payo ng karamihan, Paulo Avellino Global and Kim Pao dapat nagkakaisa. Kung ano yung ganap, dapat same lang din, walang pagsisiraan, dapat nagkakaintindihan dahil iisa lang naman yung puntos dito. Only Kim Pao. So ayan, happy 18th anniversary, Boss Paulo BMC. Love and blessed ng supporters sa umaga hanggang gabi. Grabe ang blessings ninyo with all your prayers. Best team up, Kimi and Lindang WWSP.